Meaning of differential calculus.
Differential calculus.
Differential calculus.
Differential calculus.
Differential calculus. Differential calculus is a branch of mathematics that deals with the study of rates of change and slopes of curves. It involves calculating the derivative of a function, which represents the instantaneous rate of change or slope at a given point. This technique is used in a wide range of fields, including physics, engineering, economics, and finance. The results of differential calculus allow us to understand how variables change over time and make predictions about their behavior.